AI will make development great again. Two-person startups can finally do microservices, developers can never fear multi-megabyte service methods, and you can easily run 10 Kubernetes clusters for your recipe app POC. AI will do everything. There is one piece missing in all of this though: brain. And we'll definitely come to a moment when AI will have one, kinda. But right now, I think it is useful to step aside from the just use the agent philosophy for a bit and recalibrate. I understand the motivation. Developers are lazy, things are breaking all the time, and there is not enough speed. So you give developers this massive hammer, sometimes not even to developers, and they start using it, because everyone does. And I'm not saying they shouldn't, they definitely should, but we should expect results to look very different from our assumptions. You can get this or that. Crap in, crap out is still universal. It's really up to you whether to have AI as a massive crap multiplier at an enterprise scale or make actual magic. Just something to be aware of. If your domain model is bad, you can use AI to improve it. But first, you need to know what is bad and generally what the main model is. By the way, if you like the content, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to support this new channel. That would help me a ton. Anyway, what is your best strategy now? First, don't be arrogant. Throwing Devin on design in system architecture might not be the best idea, so project management's dream wonderland of replace nuts with agents will have to wait. But on the other hand, saying AI is still too young and celebrating its every failure will not get you anywhere. And no, you don't have a year or two to wait and see how others are failing and learn from it. All is happening now, so don't miss your bit. Because it's not bad decisions that really kill you, but hesitation. Generally speaking, there's something we are all missing in the last decade or so: balance. Which leads me to the next point: start small. Tightrope walkers don't jump right on it and spring to full length on their first try. But somehow we expect AI coding will fix everything the moment we fire it up. I understand the gold rush, but it will pass, and there should be a point when we need to see how this all makes sense. Where do AI developer tools really fit in your development life cycle? And what added value do they bring in your particular situation? For example, using Cursor is overall a good and safe idea, but throwing Devin on a crappy codebase can become a nuclear bomb for your project. Especially if you are not very keen to carefully review these 30 new pull requests it offers you every morning. Finally, have patience. Truly autonomous AI will come at some point, but now it's just a toddler. So we have to learn to operate it and keep our minds open for new opportunities. Anyway, that's it for today. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and take care.